Installing your track light. Before installing your track light, ensure that you have an outlet box installed in your desired location. Before mounting, place the wall switch to the off position and turn off the individual switch that provides power to where the fixture will be installed. Remove the mounting crossbar from inside the canopy. First unscrew the decorative nuts from the canopy, then separate the crossbar from the canopy. Place a crossbar over the outlet box and decide on the alignment direction of the track light using the mounting screws. Fasten the mounting crossbar to the outlet box using the provided screws. Connect the white neutral wire, black live wire, and ground wire to their appropriate color using the wire connector caps. Tuck the wires into the canopy and place over the mounting screws. Then replace the decorative nuts. To join the two track lengths together, remove the fasteners so that the two track ends can be aligned together. Then replace the fasteners to tighten. It is also possible to adjust the height of the track light by adding 1 or 2 rods to achieve your desired height. Next, install the adjustable height gripper to the ceiling. Mark the appropriate location, remove the mounting ring, and fasten securely to the desired location using the provided mounting screw. Then screw on the gripper. If the length of the wire is too long, you can shorten it by pulling the wire through the gripper. To make the wire longer, push down on the push button at the top of the gripper to allow the wire to pass through. Release the push button to lock the wire in place. If the wire is not releasing, it is possible to unscrew the gripper and feed the wire through. Once at the desired length, screw the gripper back together and complete the installation. The wire stopper can be unscrewed and adjusted up or down towards the gripper to ensure the wire doesn't slip through. Once at the desired length, it is possible to cut the wire above the wire stopper.